Here's how you do your word work for Wednesday, September 30th. When you open up your blue word work packet, you'll see a reminder about subjects and predicates. A subject is a noun or a pronoun in a sentence that answers the question, who or what is doing the action? A predicate is a verb in a sentence that answers the question, what is the action? So for Wednesday, you're going to do the page that says Grammar Concepts 1, and it's just right behind the page I was reading. And the first section says, read each sentence. Write whether the bold word is a simple subject or simple predicate. Remember, the simple subject is the noun or pronoun that answers the question, who or what is doing the action. The simple predicate is the verb that answers the question, what is the action? So a subject is a noun and a predicate is a verb that answers what is the action. So now I'm going to look at each sentence. The waves pounded the sand at the beach. So I want to ask myself, who or what is doing the action and what is the action? What is doing the action? The waves. And what are the waves doing? They pounded the sand at the beach. So I think that waves is the subject and pounded is the predicate. So I'm going to write that right next to the sentence. Then you can continue to do that for each bold word in that section. The next section says, read each sentence. Circle the simple subject, underline the simple predicate. Who is doing the action? What is the action? Noun, verb. That yellow bus will drive slowly up the hill. That yellow bus will drive slowly up the hill. Who or what is doing the action? That yellow bus, but I'm just going to circle bus. That and yellow are describing the bus. So the bus is doing the action. And what is it doing? Will drive slowly up the hill. It's going to drive, will drive up the hill. So you can underline that for the predicate. They danced across the kitchen floor. Who is doing the action? They are doing the action. What did they do? They danced. And then at the very bottom, the directions say, write 3 simple sentences. Honestly, for this, the shorter the sentence, the better. We'll talk about more complicated sentences later. In each one, circle the simple subject and underline the simple predicate.